Namaste and welcome to Abhyasa. This 10-minute spine healing class is based on the issue on the low back. Today, millions of people are struggling with the compressed disc, low back pain like sciatic and slip disc. In this 10 minutes, I will try to reset your spine and help you awaken naturally and heal naturally. It's a simple routine that you can follow. Make sure you're breathing consciously and deeply in every yogic practice that we do it. Right? Let's starting to begin warming up the spine. We're going to go into the cat and cow position. You come into the cat pose. Keep your leg slightly apart at your shoulder width. Keep your fingers wide open. If any of the movement you feel uncomfortable on your back, avoid doing that. Let's begin to warm up the spine. Take a long breath in. Get a nice arch on your back. Feel the gentle compression. Exhale, you crunch. Tighten up the core, rounded the back. Inhale. Long breath. Exhale. Inhale. Be mindful for every moment you're doing it. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Try reaching downward facing very slowly. Take your hip as high as you can and gently pedal. Take one heel up, one heel down to activate your ankle, your calf, and your knee. These joints will help us to move effortlessly into our yogic practice. Keep breathing into your legs. The next inhale, take the left leg into the pigeon, bring the left knee near the left wrist, extend your right leg all the way back, unlock your back ankle, exhale, lean forward on the front leg. Feel the gentle tension around your front hip rotator, front glutes. Whenever you're stretching glutes, you'll have a nice feeling and opening of the lower back. Inhale, do a gentle backward bending without pushing too hard. Exhale, go down. Inhale, very slow backward bend, no jerk. One more time, exhale. And inhale, you're going to stay for 3. Be aware of the sensation on your back, 2. Toes in, exhale, mountain. You can also reach in the cat pose. When you're ready, you change the side, right leg forward, inhale. Extend the back leg. Open up your back hip, exhale, drop all the weight on the front thigh. Smoothly go into the asana, inhale. Be mindful, be alert, be conscious. Exhale. Inhale. Keeping your breath long and deep to keep your nervous system completely calm. Exhale. One more inhale. You're going to stay for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, coming in mountain. Slowly, in downward facing, you step forward a few inches, take your heels off the ground, soften up your knee, and use your hand, your shoulders to push your hip really high to bring nice elongation to the spine. Feel that every vertebra is starting to open up. And whenever you're doing downward facing with long spine alignment, try to consciously breathe into the spine. You stay for another 2 breathing here. One more breath. Inhale, I want to take your left leg outside the left palm, rest the back knee down. Whenever there's a twist involved, twisting brings lots of freedom to the lower back, reduces stress on the tissue that your lower back is holding. You're going to hold the left knee with the left hand, push the knee in, slightly twist the spine, looking at the back leg heel. You stay for 3. Long, deep breath. It's a slow, mindful class to energize your spine, awaken your spine, heal your spine naturally. Exhale, bring the hand down, keep the chin up, coming in downward facing. Inhale, chain the leg from there. Rest the back knee on the floor. Hold the right knee with the right hand, twist the spine to the right side. Feel a gentle opening, gentle tension on your lower back, and a back leg flexes. One more breath. Exhale, hand down, reach back in mountain. Drop your knee. Keep your ankle locked, don't stretch your ankle. Push your hip to your heel, gently stretch into the child. The beautiful asana, child pose, that elongates your spine, improves circulation to the spine, to the brain. You reach back as you inhale into the cat pose. As you exhale, reaching in downward facing. Nice and long back. Stay for another 3, long spine. Keep working on alignment. 3, 2, 1. This time, step left leg forward. Between your hands, keep your back leg extended, right palm on the floor. Hold the left knee with the left hand. Twist the spine as much as you can. So while you're twisting, push the knee slightly in. That's going to bring nice opening all the way from your hamstring, glutes, and lower back. And twisting, keeping your core engaged. Hold for 3. Keeping your breath slow. Focusing into the second chakra that takes care of your lumbar and sacrum area. 2. 1. Exhale, drop. Reach back in mountain. Inhale, chain the leg from there. Hold the right knee with the right hand. Twist the spine to the right side. Holding 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Slowly reach back in mountain. Lengthen up. And you're going to come in a crossed leg. Sit down in a simple crossed leg pose. Before we do the next move, I want you to take 3 deep conscious breathing. Focusing on the diaphragm. Inhale your tummy out. Exhale your tummy goes in. Let your mind listen to the sound of the breath and watching the rhythm of the breath. Slowing down your heartbeat. Calming yourself. 1 more long inhale. Feel good, feel light, feel relaxed, and exhale. The next asana is a complete spinal twist, is the posture of the yin yoga that brings lots of awakening to the whole spine. You're going to take your left leg into the internal rotation. To try to think you're placing your left leg almost in an L shape, right leg in half butterfly. I want to twist the spine all the way to the right side. When you go here, you'll feel lots of nice stretch and opening up in the lumbar area. Once you find the depth, you can bring your forearm down. And I want you to stay in this posture. And this one, we're going to go do a little bit more longer practice. A certain asana that works on the yang tissue and certain asana work on the yin tissue. When you go in a deer pose, this actually is stretching deep connective tissue and also affecting your bones. People are struggling with the lower back because the spine, the disc is compressed. Many yogic practices, when you do consciously with conscious deep breathing, you're starting to unlock that. You're starting to create a space. And when the space being created, more energy, more blood circulation improve, and you feel relief in the area. Let's stay for another 10 seconds. Keep breathing. 9. Mind is totally engaged to the practice that you're doing it right now, to the breath that you're consciously taking in and out. It's about being in present, this moment. And hand straight, you come out of the pose slowly. Change the side from there. Take the right leg back into the same internal rotation with the right leg. Left leg goes in butterfly. Twist the spine to the left side. Find the depth and you bring your both forearms down. Very slowly drop. Stay. Starting to consciously breathe. Every person who practices the same asana do differently because we are different from each other. We are unique from each other. Find the depth that's suitable for your body and try to stay into the depth and spend a quality time. Asana bring results when you're relaxed, when you're calm, when your breath is deep. So actually your nervous system that you're constantly working on, improving, that nervous system, when it resets, it gives 10 times more benefit versus when you're not restful. That's why restfulness, stillness really bring lots of value and extra benefit into your practice. Stay for another 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come out of the pose. You can go back, sit in a cross leg. Interlock your finger in front of the chest. Take a long breath, give a nice stretch, elongation, lengthening of the spine. Exhale, you release. Inhale. Exhale. I want you to lie down on your back. Next 2 practice we'll be doing in a supine position. Whenever you lie down, always lie sideways so the back is not working too hard. Rest the body. So normally when you lie down, your spine is like synced in, your core is tucked out, your spine goes in, you're getting a hunch here. I want you to fix that hunch, tucking your tailbone in and engaging your core. Extend your left leg and bring the right knee to the right side of the chest. Take a long breath in as you exhale into the Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Slowly bring your chin to the knee. It's a beautiful practice that also works on gastritis issues, low back pain. Inhale, you release, keeping your core engaged. Exhale, you crunch. Gently go to the depth that is suitable for your body. Inhale. Yoga, you cannot force yourself. Exhale. You need to find what works for your body best. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This time you bring both legs one by one. First you hold the right, then you hold the left knee. And I want you to press yourself into the Pavan Muktasana. Let your head be on the ground. Keep the focus on the lower back. Feel the pressure on your internal organs. Stay into the asana for another 5 seconds. If any posture you feel uncomfortable, you cannot do it perfectly fine. You can take a break and join for the next asana for 3, 2, 1. Keep your feet down. Keep your left ankle on the right knee. Most physical therapists today will give you this practice if you have a sciatica pain and the lower back issues. This works on creating a nice space and tension into the glutes muscle. So if you're placing the left foot on the right knee, you're going to hug your right knee. Keep one hand from inside, one from outside. And it's starting to press the knee down slowly. Find the depth that works for your body. I feel a good stretch, good tension in my left glutes. What is the good? How do you measure that? Let's say 10 is maximum. The ideal should be 6 to 7 degrees of depth, where you can spend time. Some asana you need to spend time as you work on deeper tissues, and energy takes some time to awaken and to move. Release the leg. You change the side from the right ankle on the left knee. Hug your left leg. Very gently, slowly starting to pull the leg. Avoid creating any jerk in your body. With a smooth transition, finding depth. Any posture you practice in yoga is very important to be aware, conscious of what you're doing, and use of your intelligence. If these two you're applying well, you can never go wrong in your yoga practice. One more breath. Exhale, let go of your leg. Keep your leg distance apart, is shoulder width. The last practice of this low back pain healing class. Take a breath in, lift your waist off the ground. Bring lots of power into the glutes of the lower back. Exhale. When you're going and exhaling, squeezing your pelvis, core, and then drop the body down. Inhale, go. Exhale, very slow. Inhale. Exhale. This is a good practice to bring lots of strength in it. And exhale. One last round in it. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release. Slowly bring the knee back to your chest. Keep holding for a few seconds. And then release, turn the body one side. And you can sit in any comfortable asana that is suitable for you, either cross-leg, either half lotus. We'll end the practice. It's very important when you do yoga practice, how you start the class and how you end it. Always end practice that brings lots of calmness to your body, to your mind, that expands your energy. So we do a simple breathing within 30 seconds. You keep your hand In Prana Mudra, touching your thumb to the last two fingers, rest the wrist on the knee. That circulates the energy within the body. Let your eyes be softly closed. Let your awareness be on your spine. Just think of the spine in your mind in a form of light, golden light. And I want you to breathe into this spine, starting from tailbone, starting from root chakra all the way to the crown. You imagine you inhaling. From crown, you start exhaling all the way, scanning the spine, this light all the way down to the root. So inhaling, moving awareness upward direction. The golden light expanding, moving all the way, coming out from the crown. When exhaling, you going back at the root, at the foundation, at the base. Just do 2 more rounds. Exhale. 1 more round. Exhale. Thank you and namaste for joining for this session. If you have done this class, please write in comment that you have done it. Also share for those who can get benefit out of this session. I look forward to see you for the next session. Thank you.